Now that we've walked through a way to calculate an average customer value for a series, let's discuss a few of the flaws in this approach. There's no good way to break out promotional sales. So I've had a couple of book bubs on Writer's Revenge over the last year. And the problem is that my sell-through when my title is priced at $4.99 or $6.99 is different from my sell-through when the book is priced at 99 cents. And once you've run a 99-cent promo, you're still getting sell-through of those 99-cent sales 2 months later, 3 months later. So it's hard to see what's business as usual and what's continuing sell-through from a promo. So during a promo period, you will probably overestimate your sell-through because you won't get as high a sell-through from a 99-cent title to a $4.99 title as you would from a $4.99 title to a $4.99 title. You will also have people trying you out at 99 cents who wouldn't have tried you out at a normal price. And during a business as usual period when everything's priced, say at $4.99 to $4.99, $4.99, you may underestimate your potential sell-through if you've incorporated a period where you had a promo running. This model also sort of assumes that buyers are buyers and borrowers are borrowers. But I have at least one friend who says that they see sales on book one and then borrows of the rest of their series. And there's no way to account for readers who are still reading your series. So if somebody is midway through your series when you do these calculations, they are going to have a higher value for you than you're seeing right now. And as we discussed before, using full read equivalents as a proxy for borrows is imperfect. When you're running, say, AMS and you're paying for clicks, you are paying for people to borrow your book. There is no guarantee that the person who borrows your book goes on to read your book. And so it may take 10 borrows to get a read, but we can't factor that in because we can't see it. Another thing this approach doesn't do well is capture box sets or collections. I have a short story collection that is 8 separate short stories. And for a long time there I had the first title perma-free. And most people who moved on from that first title bought the entire collection. They didn't go to 2 and 3 and 4, they just went and bought the collection. This doesn't really account for that. What you could do is add the box set or collection as another line item and do it that way. And we're also not looking at sales between series, which would increase customer value, or across pen names if you have open pen names, which again would increase customer value. And as we already discussed, this doesn't account for any future sales of books you haven't written yet. So it's really underestimating customer value. And the way I've done it right now, it's focused on ebook sales only. If print book sales are a significant portion of your revenue, then I would treat them as another distribution site and do a weighted average that way. All right, we are going to come back to this worksheet later because we are going to use it for analysis of AMS ad performance. But right now I want to step back from using Excel and talk about the reports that are available to you in your AMS dashboard.